Okay. So we've ran into a little bit of a roadblock waiting on this railway bridge to open up. Could have put a call into the bridge tender, and he's awaiting approval from his supervisor to open the railway so we can get through. Otherwise, we'd be a convertible at about 9 feet, which is about half of the height of the boat. Let's hope they open it soon. Okay, sitting here waiting for the bridge tender to open the bridge. I guess we got to wait on this train that's inbound right now. So they say they'll lift it right after the train clears his signal. Hope it's not a long train. Yep, looks like that is the end of the train back there.
Drawbridge to the pleasure boat. The bridge has started going up for you, and you can go ahead and proceed under the bridge when you have enough clearance there.